Greetings over the diaspora to those that do not speak the languages that we speak. Welcome back, spiritual gangsters in all your fraternities. Those who are new here, please start by subscribing if this is content that resonates with you. And yeah, those who have been here, thank you so much. Please do engage with us in the comment section. Please like, please subscribe, please do share, and all the good. I have Mkhulu Mlaba again today. Duaseti. Yeah, so I managed to get a hold of him again today. And yeah, this will be posted on the Gregorian New Year, but probably in the season, yeah, Neptet. So we're going to have a couple of episodes with him because, yeah, ke kantolagala. So Thokoza Khehla, siyabonga isikhathi sakho again. Yeah, Khehla bengicela, yeah, you know, free range. Nere ka about trade schools because I had to fix my mother's toilets, but then the parts are mismatched and whatnot. So yeah, like everyone went to check for this part, but see they don't make it anymore. I don't know. Capitalism and the economy is designed like that. So yeah, can you tell us more about and then there's no more trade schools, you know, can change light bulbs and stuff like that. No, Thokoza
Thokozile kubogogo nomkhuzi athokoza. Yeah, gogo man. Mayikhuluma nge-economy kahle before songena kuma trade ukuthi kuze kanjani ama trade akhishwe kwi curriculum or education yala eSouth Africa. So qala kwi economy. Masithola abantu abeze economics basitshela ukuthi igama elithi economics lisho ukuthini. Bathi it's a control or management of scarcity. Ukusho ukuthi for ukuthi kube khona economics kumele kube khona iscarcity. Wazi kwaphela iscarcity then economics iyafail. Ukusho ukuthi kumele bona ba create iscarcity so that bazokhona control economy. Sure. And so iscarcity is designing. Masoyibheka kwi engineering design. Khona ichapter abayibiza nge design for absolute. But you designela ukuthi into kumele iphule. Into kumele angilast forever because of kumele uzoyithenga. Njobo sakhala manje phokule the system leyana is the same system abatshintshe ama mountain for ukuthi le ayisenziwa ukuma iphunga khona ukuthola ezokhona replace kumele uyothenga le
the entire thing
abenzi ukuthi into A1 ikhone ukufixa ama trade ahlukile uma kuphuye le kumele uthenge enye nyaka uthathe enye ephuye ngale uma sonza kanjani economy izo drop.
Oh, noma ulungisa ifone
there's no yo khona umuntu osebenzayo ngithi
le part le efana le
lo muntu osefactory mina khona le owner not umuntu osefactory as such the owner ngoba manje sokuyi AI manje sebenza imishini automation usokusebenza automation umuntu
now uyenza leather subject automation
is a subject
those two of them yes both here
and then laphana yonke into masikhuluma nge-automation sikhuluma nge-factory whereby umshini uyasebenza ukhona ukuzisenza ukuthi i-bearing selizophuka khona i-standby machine over engaged while lo mshini ushintsha i-bearing eliphukile maqeda ushintsha sobuyele bese isenda i-signal to i-standby useng-right standby sime bese qhubeka umshini osebenza normal i-standby sebenza only when umshini ushintsha i-bearing. That means not ne-technician ayikho uzofixe lapha yonke into imshini. And so lokho kusho ukuthi njoba i-economy siphila kwi-system ethi is labor for income. It's labor for income. If there's no labor, there's no income. Siphila kwi-system ukuthi njoba ngene ama-robot kuba nendlala yini abantu bazodlana bona.
Already siyadlana sodwa okay.
Sibuyela ekutheni.
I didn't think I'd live to see but the poor will eat the rich, but now it's also a class system. It's also
hlangene. Yakucindezelwana why survival of the fittest and it's understanding in nature ithi umuntu kumele amuve ukuthi aqhubeke aphile wathi umuntu wamasi one place uzoba extinct nelwane zinjalo ilwane ukuthi ziphile zimuva ziyamigrate from one point to another point ukuze zithole ukudla zithole amanzi ngazi nga one place izoshona so impilo kumele iqhubeke and so right now siphila impilo emisiwe ngayo i-economy. And so
study of scarcity, demand supply. You can manipulate either. How we manipulate? I also manipulate the currency.
But remember, currency imali printwa yibo. Asiyiprint.
Lento engekho.
Iprintwa yibo and yibo controller ukuthi ama-interest rate akhuphuka kanjani iwa-control ama-recession
Angithi iphumile le bathi the rand was manipulated. Yeah, so bengifuna umuntu who's like, but anyway, continue.
yes, and so all in all kahle kahle igame labo kuno-Knoxman, number 1 Knoxman yibo abaphethe yonke le.
The house
And so,
always wins.
the house always wins. And so babuye bashaya-ke la elokishini la not lokishini la e-South Africa uma ngabe ingena 94 babaqala bafaka i-OPE and stuff bafake i-education system abazi ukuthi ifeyile abayithathe khona. Alright, mara-ke uma bayithatha OPE bakhipha bavala ama-FET colleges bavala mina ngifunde eJabulani Technical.
Ufunde technically, but ngithi the school still standing though in good condition.
Isikole sikhona in good conditions mara ama-technical studies avaliwe. And avalwe ngenhloso ngoba i-technical school yiyo eJabulani Technical, eJabulani Soweto yonke yiyo bekuyi-technical school beyi-produce. And kwagcina ngayo ukuproducer ngoba masiya emiqinisweni bayakutshela wonke umuntu uyokutshela ukuthi if you wanna be good at anything you need to practice. There's one thing kumele uyenze to be good at anything, practice. Lento kufunda grade 1 to grade 12 to become a lawyer or to become a doctor into yokusangana ukusangana, you understand? If you want to be a good lawyer uthi una grade 1 ufundiswe nje ukuthi being a lawyer and practice it. Uma 13 ube so unswembu Mona 20 uzoba sokukhipha ezinye izinto ezintsha. The education system yonke nje just to delay you for 12 years.
Program
uvalelekile they delay you and bakudelay while bakudelay bebakulela ingqondo futhi abantu abamanje ke education yakhona ilimaza kakhulu ke. Kahle kahle it's safe ngomusa umntana wakhe esikolweni manje. Bafundisa abantwana ku grade 3 umntwana una 9 years I suppose. Bafundisa umntwana i-sex enziwa kanjani until umntwana azalwa abukela yonke into which umntwana una 12 years umntwana una 12 years une right afundiswa esikolweni ukuthi une right how come ukuthi umntwana afundiswe ukuthi une right wenza abortion ana 12 years kune syllabus ifawo wena ama parents angathula kanjani abone kufaka i-syllabus ukuthi umntwana
who decides
it kanjani umntwana azina 12 years mele azi abortion kufika apho umntwana azazi abortion ana 12 years wazi laphi i-sex bamprepare na 9 years i-education system abazali jo bahlala emabhiya bayajayiva babuyela ibhola bokulwela ikhaba while umntwana wakhe ubuyela ufundiswa i-sex at age of 9 years afundiswa abort at age of 12 years of which then since I understand exist engqondweni while with music abawuphampayo with
the frequencies of
ababukelayo with i-TV and stuff ne-life umntwana 12 years uba likely ukuthi engage kulezi zinto while bamprepare from school.
So etech khehla necala from grade mang ne-degrade nelezang enhle.
Okay, etech ke and kahle kahle ngesikhathi thina ngesikhathi phela sifunda abantu education zamabhuku ngokuthi mangibosha usub A
maruntswembu blind still or ingqondo kadaki.
Okay, ingqondo kadaki. Okay, udaka ngafaka umlungu ufakile mara yena akafaka ngoba kade renewa into beyikhona kithi bayithatha bayitwista so uthola iqiniso about la twiste yonke lento mara mathina ngesikhathi samabhunu ke kade sub A sub grade 1 and grade 2 besinema plot sifundisa ukutshala umunye nomunye neplot lakhe ukuthi nifunise neplot lakho uyashaya mangawanisela ngeplot lakho.
Oh wow,
every morning melu wakho iplot yakhe mabone buma ne 3 months nyana sezinyana mhlawumbe bengazi kubidla boku September mara most likely boku September kuba khona ukuthi umunye nomunye uzoyenza ile base standard 2 standard 1 standard 2 which is grade 3 and grade 4 bese senza ama dustbin ngamantina okutanga nama dry.
Yo these kids abathi belotsa le di trata cars
standard 3 masiya ama higher primary bese sifika sifunde senza ingadi ke siklina nje ingadi ke yabo uma standard 4 hambi ya imizodo maso standard 4 imizodo first 6 months funda drawing first 3 months i-drawing second 3 months i-building mesikhuma nge-drawing ufundiswa yonke into ye-drawing lento kuyi-secret drawing i-secret geometry mina khani mina ngiqale standard 4 ngaze ngayenza totote e-tertiary and so i-drawing angizwa.
Alright,
and so besayicala standard 4 ngamabhuku
you can measure in your head or 5 meter ke ngiyayibona vele
ukhona ukukhipha i-shape ukuthi le shape iyophuma kanjani should imise so after ikhathwe into so uzokho kuba uzohlala kanjani lapha so mangifuna uhlala lapha mengiprepare lapha so ngihlala so nge-drawing and so ka standard 4 standard 4 grade 6 ne grade 6 so 3 months bebasifundisa i-bricklaying i-spirit level list i-fish lane le ukubeka ama-course nama-line ukuthi udaka lakho kuneplank bakubikele nama-line ukuthi isitina sakho masibeke phezulu udaka mele sidlule line list ka standard 4 second 3 months third 3 months lesenza i-metal working senza into lento okubutha izibi khona imishini obhobile izenge uzokubutha izibi ubutha izibi fourth 3 months besenza lento bama-planks amaplank into yokuba ama-innerplex bamba ama-infatubi ngifaka labondeni yenziwe inithi kunemshini amashizini ngiqala kwami ishizini neplane ngizaze emizolungu ngenza stand 4 okay stand 5 ke uyi-upgrade ke mhlawumbe sesenza into eplanga edipha sengenza into ezente edipha sentrowa into ezidipha
so zikhishwe kanjani lezi to baphethu
6 ke la kimi ngayi-technical na 6 bokuyiloko first 3 months building so 3 months electricity second 3 months metal work 3 months i-welding something like that okay bese maswa stand 7 kumele ukhethe ke ku stand 6 bo-introduce kuma-course akhona stand 7 sokukhetha ukuthi yini uyithandile lezo izinto ngikhetha motor mechanics ngenze motor mechanics from that stand 7 toto stand 10 ngenze motor mechanics mina manya i-teacher ngine-background solid ye-drawing ngibhalela abantu i-test e-drawing
bobhalela thina
abantu ababuya kuma-commercial school balimeza nge-science besenza i-engineering ngeke uphase i-degree yakho na-mechanical drawing manje ngifike ngidrow iphepha lami
but we keep a 3D shape and put the the perspective
uzoqala ngakuphi ungakwazi ukuhluza ama-line only for 6 months I mean i-teacher is 6 months S1 and then ufunda yonke mina ngithi ngifunde from standard 4 to standard 10 uzothatha ama-chance and so
man, so what happened to these schools
intentionally so kumele kwenziwe ukuthi kuvalwe abantu base-South Africa umhlaba wonke you go to Britain you go to America abantu abanepasi bakhona akumelanga babe nesi kumele badepende ku-grant abantu kumele babe nesi abantu abangenapasi hence ama-channel avulelwe ama-brothers angabuya ngaphandle or mabuye eChina business uthola fast bangakuboleka imali fast maphume e-Angola uzoqala ibhizinisi lani u-South African nepasi so bawuzobheka into eningi ukuthi nani mama ubuye eChina ufuna ukuboleka imali ebhenki baboleka fast mabuya Israel boleka imali ebhenki ufuna ukwenza baboleka fast because of awusi-trade mara mawuyi-local uyi-trade kanjani mawuyi-local unepasi unemali uzoba nomsila uzoqala ube nomsila ukhombe kakhulu uthe wayebenza so manje uma ngabe uyi-local udepende kwi-grant uzokholelwa ukuthi imali izokuseyiva you'll always believe ukuthi kune-save ayikhona for wena uyathola uzobhila ukuthi
save mentality always religion self
bakhipha imali bathi usolubhedile usosave uzuma this time
kanti abathi it's the same system
asiyeni kumali
igame eli-one just different players
kwakuthiwa from kuJesu you must always expect to be safe and there's no save except yourself ayikho
nale conversation bengishaya nomngani wami izolo and she pointed to fact ya hore even the books so I don't know like qadile guy but there was some rabbit hole that was opened so lo guy lo shows the monarchy they own a printing company ke di textbook tse re di berekisa so either way they also they want to control how we're going to think which is what is happening working the peerman the longman or in ungabheka ama textbook you can see this belongs to the same clan or Macmillan mele sizibheke lezi
you understand education inzumo and akekho umuntu ongakufundisa uhlala ukudlula yena moreover thina education yethu yenziwe abantu abathatha umhlaba wethu abaphethe umnotho wethu abaphethe igolide lethu basifundisa ukuthi imigolide and so njengoba ngisho ukuthi education uma esikolweni uyafundisa ukubadoma the more ufunda the more badoma that's why abantu abafundile bangenancedo for i-society uzisave yena because of akaboni i-purpose ukuthi yena uyi-part of the whole hence bayenze ukuthi masibona umuntu oyifila sibone individual failure as uyi-mistake asazi ukuthi yonke into yenzeka collective we are all responsible for all
we ain't free until we all free
you understand umuntu ngabantu and so
umuntu ngabantu
and so ifuneke la ukuthi thina senze ukuthi buyela kuma-skill and
so buyela kanjani because I don't know like the FET colleges are they producing sufficient people maybe ninga-comment if you guys have had help there mara le kamophinville nona le kind of vocational teaching
kahle iqiniso lonke ikhona iphimvile ikhona bekhona la idosi bekhona iy'mfulo
but like nazo azisekho
nasemlaphi ikhona azikho as before kangangokuthi nama-teacher anehlu awekho so uma-teacher yesikoleni yesipanini for ukuthi uthole salary per month akanye still knowledge total fish naye ufuna ukudla wonke umuntu bayenza impilo ukuthi ibe about isalary about survival of the fittest. And so wonke umuntu ufuna hands labor for income.
Cishe ngishona today ngibone ushukela is R50 on special. So I was talking to some couple behind me. Bathi bakhala ngamaqanda, I think it's like 200 or something. And lokelo. But it's a game, like they're able to manipulate whatever. If they decide today ukuthi siyadecide ukuthi namhlanje i-rice izothi malini, and sonke us that are eating here, we all gonna decide ukuthi this is this. Yakho neighbor difference it about R1 mara okusalayo le mali eseculator. Yeah.
And as long as purchase umuntu one.
Obvious.
Okay, mara all in all izobuya kule topic bokhuma ngayo yokho. Ngoba all in all yondelele kithi wena gogo. Ukuthi so you expect thina ukuthi government is provide anything. There's no way ukuthi government is provide anything. Ukuthi sivuke and wake up to
utobone something today, the culture of begging. And we're gonna cut it here. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll pick up this conversation next week. Spiritual Gangsters.